In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create blog posts in Mailerlite. Whether you're just getting started or looking to streamline your blogging process, Mailerlite is an excellent platform to consider. It allows you to create, manage, and publish your blog content with ease. So let's jump right in and walk you through the process. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Mailerlite's website. Once you've arrived on their homepage, look for the login button and give that a click. This is your gateway to accessing the suite of tools Mailerlite offers. Now, if you've set up your account with Google, you can click on Sign in with Google for a quick and convenient login process. This single sign-on feature is a real time saver and keeps your digital life in sync across platforms. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you'll find a tab labeled Sites. Clicking on this tab will bring you to the hub where all the magic happens. From here, go ahead and click on Create Site. This action sets the foundation for your new blog post. Now, you'll be prompted to enter a site name. Think of this as the header of your project, something that reflects the content or the series of blogs you plan to publish. After you've entered a suitable name, remember to hit Save and Continue to lock it in place. The next step is about reaching the right audience. Here you'll need to select a group of subscribers you wish to target with your blog posts. After making your selection, click on Continue to move on. It's crucial to define your audience as it can influence both content style and reach. Mailerlite offers a range of templates to make your blog look professional, and you'll find them under the All Templates section. Scroll through and click on the blog category. When you've found a template that suits your style, click on Choose. This will be the design framework for your content, so pick something that aligns with your aesthetic and brand. At this stage, you'll have the flexibility to edit your blog post. Tailor the text, images, and elements to fit your message. Feel free to get creative and make it authentically yours. Once you're satisfied with the edits, click Done Editing to proceed. The last few steps involve fine-tuning details like the landing page URL and adding a favicon to give your site a polished look. This is done under the Settings section of your site. Be sure to review these carefully as they play a part in user experience and branding. Finally, hit Save and Continue to wrap up the process. And that's it. You have successfully created a blog post in Mailerlite. With these steps, you can repeat the process for future posts, making consistent content creation a hassle-free task. Thanks for tuning in and happy blogging.